Hi loves! Today I would like to show you how I make my mugwort latte. Basically the other day I went to a really nice ice cream cafe and then I saw this really pretty drink. They said that it was souk latte. Souk is basically, it's mugwort, and mugwort is an herb. It gives like this kind of grayish color, so I'm really excited to try it. I ordered this online on coupon, and let's see. This is like souk powder, the mugwort powder, and I'm gonna prepare it as I make my matcha. So I have the whisk, I have everything, the sift and the hot water. Let's see. So we open it. It's sealed. Okay. What the color, it's so pretty, guys. Look, the color. You see? It's like, it's kind of dark green grayish color. It's so pretty, oh my god. It smells just like matcha, honestly saying. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a spoonful of it, then put here. The reason why I always sift my powder like matcha and stuff, because I want it to be as smooth as possible without any lumps in my drinks. So I sift it, because you know you sometimes like drinks have lumps and I really don't like it, especially when you drink it. It's not nice to the taste, it's not pleasant. So I sift it. So I already sifted the powder, and then we're gonna add the hot water into it. Then whisk it. Again, it's very hard to do with one hand, so I'll show you the end results later. It's very important to whisk it like really thoroughly, and then whisk it until like the bubbles will come out. And this is what I'll be using: some milk, mugwort, ice, and then some whipping cream. Let's see. Also, as for the glass, I'll be using this glass that I got from Santry Coffee. Look at this, it's so nice, right?